Morning everybody. Josh here with Odd Jobs Hijinks. Pretty busy day here at the pole barn. Gonna be pouring this apron here with this trench drain that we have all formed up and all the steel's tied. Gonna be about 8 yards. Pretty deep at this end, fairly shallow at the other. It's gonna tie into this culvert pipe. Got that rain leader right there tied into it here, and the other rain leader down there at that end. Shoots right into the end of it. So all the water on the front of this building is all gonna get caught. All gonna shoot right through here. Come right out on the other side. Not the culvert pipe. Mac Metal just made the metal delivery. It's a great thing. The door and everything from them, all the metal, all the screws, all the package, all the closure. Well, it's a good day. Definitely a good day. Big things happening. So we're gonna step away for now, and we'll come back after the concrete's poured and finished, and we'll give you a look, see what the French drain looks like. All right, everybody, there it is. The poured trench drain. Not bad for an old man. 8 yards all by himself. Say the old man still got it. Got some cleanup to do because it's just been a marathon ever since the truck got here. There ain't been time for anything but pouring and straight edging and finishing. But I just got it broomed. It's looking pretty good. We'll be back tomorrow. We'll get it stripped out and start putting some of this metal on. I wanted to get this poured before I put any metal on, just to save splashing on the metal. You can see there's a little bit of splash on the wood there. It happens when you're pouring concrete. There's really no way to avoid it. So by pouring this apron today, I saved myself a bunch of cleaning. And this is definitely gonna get all the water and send it down the chute there. All right, good morning. Josh here, Odd Jobs Hijinks. Just got the trench drain all stripped out. It's looking good. Looking real good, actually. All cleaned up. I'm gonna cover this with some 3/4 inch plywood right now, just so it's not a hazard to anybody. And no one falls in it. And we'll get some grading on there when the time comes. I'm gonna wrap this up and put some metal on. All right, everybody, it's Josh here, Odd Jobs Hijinks. Started putting metal on yesterday. Got the back wall done and the lower section of this. Start on the roof today. Got the first half of it on before lunch. Gonna finish up the second half of it now. We got some rain coming tonight, and then it's gonna be blowing hard tomorrow, so we're not gonna come over here and mess around with that. That's just asking for trouble. No sense in that. Try to keep stuff simple. This looks pretty good. We got a ways to go yet. A lot of trim to put on and quite a bit of other work to do. But it is coming along. Sure is. Looking good. So far the metal package has worked out pretty good too. No complaints at all. Mac Metal's been doing a fine job. All right, we'll catch you again later when we're done. All right, well, we got the roof put on. The whole roof's done, ridge cap's on. I left a little bit sticking over each end so I can cut it off and fold it over once I get the closure on. But the roof is on, the back wall's up. Building's very stiff. It's very solid. Got a thunderstorm coming in, so we finished up just in time. I'd say it'll be raining in the next 10-15 minutes. And it's supposed to be pretty windy tomorrow. We're not going to be dealing with this tomorrow in the wind, possible rain. We're going to go to another job and start prepping a slab to be poured. Pretty good sized slab. We'll get some footage of it. All day tomorrow I'll be putting down 6 mil plastic and tying rebar. But that wraps it up for here for the day. I'd say for this week. And we'll get back over here at the latter end next week and finish getting this metal on and cleaning this up and getting the windows in and the door set and all the J channel on and the trim. And then a final cleanup and everything will be good. Afternoon, everybody. Josh here with Odd Jobs Hijinks. The last day here on the pole barn job. Got it all wrapped up, the carport back up. Fresh loads of gravel here in the driveway. I meet with the owner tomorrow, make sure he's satisfied. I cut this new swale in here to divert water that spills from across the road down the driveway here. You see it's been washing out. To get that to go around the building. And all the rest of the water that comes down this driveway should end up in this trench drain that we built. And you've seen some prior footage of that. I don't know if I got anything in the finished product. Walk down here and get a good look at it. So that pipe right there is for a rain leader, come off the gutter. That pipe ties in to the trench drain. Right there, you can see it. Beautiful. Nice big trench drain, should hold plenty of volume of water. And this is the pole barn. All finished up. They'll be bringing garage doors next week to come in. We got water stubbed up, some conduit for the power, man door in. And the carport that was here originally is now moved over to here. Put back together again just like it was when it was over there. The yard's all cleaned up. Everything's as it should. Well, thanks for joining us. And let us know what you think about our project. This is Josh with Odd Jobs Hijinks. Be safe.
Alrighty, folks, so now Josh has gone over the end and wanted to show you the before. This is the lot before we moved a bunch of dirt. This is after we removed the carport from this location, and there was an RV parked here as well. And go back to episode number 1. I'll have a playlist. If you are just catching the tail end of this, we'll give you the playlist and you can go back and watch the entire series. It was a lot of fun. I got to help out on a lot of this build, but Josh, of course, and his crew did most of the work. And here's the after. And it looks great. And, it's a pole barn, so it's not terribly fancy. They still have to rough out a bathroom in that back right corner. But you can see the 2 bays. Those garage doors will be coming in separately and will be installed by a different crew. But you can see the trench drain in front. You can also see all of the dirt work to the left that Josh has done. Plus, as Josh mentioned, the carport is now resurrected there on the right hand side, and he had to create a pad for that or extend what was there to allow for that 20-foot wide carport. And great project all around to see it from start to finish and how much time and effort was put into the concrete, the package. And we want to put a shout out in our video today for Mac Metals. They're in Somerset, Kentucky. If you're in the area, we can't recommend them enough. They're easy to work with, and the packages are very competitively priced. And they basically send you the lumber so you can do all your framing and so forth first, and then they send you the metal. And that way, you get everything when you need it, not just dumped on you. For Josh at Odd Jobs Hijinks, I'm Reckless. We hope you've enjoyed the series, And let us know what you think about the overall series down in the comments below. Give us a thumbs up, and please subscribe. We're trying to grow Josh's channel, trying to make it grow big. Take care.